If the camera icon has disappeared from the home screen of your iPhone 14 Pro, there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. First, try searching for the camera app using the search bar on the home screen, or by swiping down from the middle of the screen to access the Spotlight search. If the camera app appears in the search results, try adding it back to the home screen by tapping and holding the app icon, then selecting Add to Home Screen. You will immediately see its icon added back to the home screen. If the camera app is not appearing in search results, try restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding the power button and either of the volume keys until the slide to power off option appears. Slide to power off and wait a few seconds. Then press and hold the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. Once the device is active, search for the camera app again. If it still does not appear in the search results, then it could have been disallowed. What you need to do next is to launch the Settings app. Swipe up to look for screen time, and once found, tap on it. Tap Contents and Privacy Restrictions, and then touch Allowed Apps. Find the camera app and make sure the switch next to it is enabled. This will bring the camera app back to the home screen. The camera is one of the pre-installed apps on your iPhone and it can't be uninstalled. But if for some reason these solutions don't work, then reset your device and it will bring everything back to normal. We hope this guide can be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.